job, buddy. Good job. Hey, guys, that was Brody doing ABCs. All right, so I want to update you on a couple things. One is the NASDAQ. I'll show you where I think we are in the wave count and the Fibonacci position. The other thing is Bitcoin and Ethereum are really on the move. Big sell-off, but it looks like we found some support. And the other thing is big webinar happening Wednesday night. I'll tell you about that. Let's dive in. So here's the NASDAQ, the NDX 100 on a daily chart. And what I see happening here is I think we've just completed a fourth wave. The first thing you'll notice is the Fibonacci projection, what they call the alternate price projection of wave 1 up from 2. The 1618 is right here at 57.12 and the 200% is just above here. So we fell just in between the 161 and 200% alternate price projection, which is quite common. So now it looks like the third wave is complete. Okay, just to give you the context, there's 1, ABC down in 2, there's 3, and now it looks like we're tracing out wave 4. There's a cluster of support here in the NDX that should be tested somewhere between 5,600 and 5230. Okay, so quite a big zone, but certainly not that much of a drop. Oops, sorry. Kick the camera. So how long should it last? Well, first thing, looking at the time, okay, so the first thing we're looking at here is the time elapsed in waves 1 and 2 projected out. So the 100% right there, equal distance of waves 1 and 2 in terms of time, was more or less the wave 3 top. 1618 caught the wave 3 top up here. And then we have the 200% offering a time target that's out in early August. Other thing we can look at here, let me switch colors, is distance of time elapse, excuse me, of wave 2 out in wave 3. Okay, so that wave 2v4 comparison, even the 618 doesn't, the 618 is going to match up with the 200% of the last time study I mentioned, just around August. And then there's another one, equality 100% is not till August 29th. And September 20th. So altogether, it looks like the clustering of time is right around here. Okay, so it looks to be, you know, this could be a summer of pain, of volatility in this fourth wave that takes you out into that early August, possibly out into September, down for about 200 to 300 points in the NASDAQ. So, you know, it could be a busy summer. It could be volatility. I think a lot of it is going to be range trading, not so much directional trading, premium selling opportunities. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. This matches up in like Netflix. This matches up in Apple. This matches up in Tesla. So this is pretty much across the board. Other market I wanted to talk about was the cryptocurrency. So first thing is Bitcoin made a pretty good drop here. So you can see here on the 60 minute when it went down, back up, and it looks like Bitcoin went right down to the 100% and rallied back. Okay, not a pretty looking chart, but this is, keep in mind, just the 60-minute chart, so nothing too extreme. And then actually what we could do also is let's do an external retracement of this most recent move right here. Okay, so we actually went right down to the 1.618 as well as a 100% measured move. Okay, so that's fine. So I think Bitcoin is actually to support. Ethereum looks much better, and Ethereum has pretty much retraced most of the gains. So you're going to see a very similar measured move here. So let's go over here to fib trend-based fib extension. So you're going to click once, click twice, click a third time. And there's that perfect measured move. Okay, I didn't add to it down here. I really should have. I have more Ethereum than Bitcoin here, so that guy's looking good. And you could just look at the Ethereum Bitcoin exchange rate. It's making new highs. So right now, 0.14 Bitcoin is equal to 1 Ethereum. You can see that's moving up. Okay, so I like Ethereum. I have more Ethereum than Bitcoin. That's why Ethereum Bitcoin exchange rate's moving up. So looks like that's the deal in the currencies. Should be summer volatility here in the NASDAQ. And looks like a lot of premium selling opportunities. The other thing is, as I mentioned, we are doing a webinar here Wednesday night, okay? Wednesday night with Bob Miner. This is the guy that really pulled trading together for me. So these two books were very instrumental for me. First book I read was Elliott Wave Principle by Robert Prechter. That was a great book. But a lot of theory and kind of hard to apply to the real markets. But Bob did a wonderful job of simplifying fib and then doing a really good job as well, expanding on Fibonacci and then turning it into real life trading scenarios. So we're going to do a webinar here. My first webinar that I'm going to present for Bob. I did a webinar with his group last month, and that really went really well. That was optimizing your options. So we're going to be doing a webinar. I'm excited to have him. That's going to be Wednesday night, the 14th. This is going to be a free webinar, and then there will be an offer at the end. But the way Bob rolls is he's not fluff in sales. You better come to learn, and if you're interested and want to learn more, then he's going to have a nice, competitive low dollar offer to continue on. So if you're watching on YouTube, look for the link below. If you are watching on the Trading Analysis homepage, look for the link below and click, and we'll get you in there, claim my spot. This will drop you over to this page right here, and then the way he does it, just add to cart, checkout. It's going to be a $0 product, and you're going to be set up for the webinar. So it's going to be Wednesday, June 14th at 8 p.m. Eastern, 5 o'clock Central, and I will be there, okay? So leave it there, guys, and see you tomorrow. Have a good night.